So now I finish with the unloading. I have to let this trailer bis tomorrow morning, park it here, and then I have to take it, load. I have to load, and I don't know if it's staying okay, but I think it's staying good here. I think I put just here. Okay, I have to go nearby the but nearest possible by the this wall, or what it is this, because I have another trailers there which maybe try to go out, and he must have space, but I think it's okay. Let's check. Okay, let me check if it's enough. He have enough space, so it's not a problem. When he tried to connect, you have space enough to go out. Okay, so I have to put the handbrake for the trailer. I have to put the legs down. Okay, I have this one here. Now I have to drive 1.5 meters. Okay, let me try. I have to look in the mirror very well. I think it's enough. Just a little more. Okay. I make some air because I need to put up. Alright, it's enough. So I have to put the cable out, the pipes and cables, the electric cable, ABS and all. But first, let me put this legs down at all. Okay, put this here. And now now it's on the air, so it's good to go. I disconnect all the cables and the pipes. This is the ABS here. This here. Okay. So now it's okay. Let me check again. Yeah. My hands are out. Gloves. Put in automatic. And I want to check if I have space. And go reverse. Yeah, it's enough space. I just want to see if is enough space for this. But it's enough. Okay, so I go to park the truck and I drive home.